The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your cooking, making gourmet meals simpler than ever before. Imagine replacing 9 kitchen appliances with just one incredible device. That's the power of its 9-in-1 functionality. From pressure cooking savory stews to slow cooking tender roasts, or even baking a cake, this one pot truly does it all. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can whip up delicious meals like soup, yogurt, or perfectly cooked rice at the touch of a button, removing all guesswork. Plus, its durable stainless steel inner pot means healthier cooking and super easy cleanup, a dream come true for busy households. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's your all-in-one culinary assistant designed for maximum efficiency and incredible results. If you're ready to declutter your countertops and enjoy stress-free, delicious home cooking, then this is the kitchen essential you need. To grab your own and transform your kitchen for 2025, find the Amazon link in the description below. You won't believe how much time and effort the Instant Pot Duo Plus will save you while expanding your culinary horizons. Trust me, for anyone looking for the best kitchen upgrade of 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-buy.